Okie dokie. So, quick explanation. This super mega simple, only 3 components: N-channel MOSFET, NTC thremistor, and trimpot. Can be, standard resistor, but in this moment it's hard to calculate this voltage divider. I power it from 12 volt, and what I wrote in the video, IRF 840 is not the best choice, much better, but I just have this with long legs, because usually I use like a stuff taken from something, and let's say I have short legs, so it's hard to do something in the air. So much better choice will be, let's say, IRF 540. Of course, we have to remember, so this is solution. Very simply, if you wanna, I don't know, cool the radiator, heatsink inside the kind of equipment or something like that, it means it's good for low current. This is not like a for drive, big fan or anything like that. We're talking about such a small fans, or maybe a bit bigger fans, but still we talking about fans which taking, I don't know how much it takes, but something like a milliamps. First of all, we have to remember, so when the MOSFET are closed, all current going through these two pieces. So we have to remember, so, and calculate how much current going through this, and calculate the power of this. If it will be too big current, something will burn and we release some, maybe not much, but magic smoke. So on this, with this resistor, I just set the moment when the vent fan stops. Then when the thermistor became warmer, lower resistance, and create some voltage which open the gate of MOSFET. So it's simply. So if anybody have a better idea how to make such a thing with only 3 components, because I started doing this for kind of one of my projects, and I found so it doesn't make sense to working with op amps, etc. etc. I need simply system which switch on fan when the temperature of heatsink rise to, let's say, 50 degree. Of course, in this video I just hit a bit by fingers just to show it. Otherwise we have to somehow measure temperature of heatsink, and in this moment we have to decide where this fan should start with this trimpot. Again, remember, when MOSFET is closed, all current going through these 2 pieces of resistance. So we have to remember, so bigger current, it means so voltage by current. So from this we can calculate current, yes. So we have to remember, and then power dissipation. That's it. Short, but I think useful. 3 components and it works, let's say. Thank you for watching such a short video.